Hey everyone, Extreme speaking. Hope you're all doing well. So back in the saddle, so let's get back to our daily crypto news, see what's happening and where is the markets going. So each day I'll be taking the top 10 movers and see what's been running. Wow, we pretty much got a big red day. And look there, Rune USD is the top coin currently, with a moving of just over 4% the last 24 hours. Now let's see, are there any news regarding it? This is a pretty interesting coin, and I'm looking forward to what it can do everything. But let's see, are there any news? There's a bunch of tweets regarding it. Any related news I can find? So no news regarding it lately, besides the fact that it's moving and it's been tweeted. But this coin has a unique concept, which makes it really interesting. And that's why I've invested in it as well. It's one of the coins I do have. I bought it around $14, more or less, if I'm correct or can remember correctly, recall. Let me see. Alright, so it's in the news. So here's a bit of news regarding Tron chain. Shapeshift, a non-custodial cryptocurrency exchange platform, today announced it has enabled cross-chain swaps via 4chain and Ethereum-based DEX trading on their web platform. Now, Rune is 4chain. These capabilities were previously made available on Shapeshift's mobile app, and now the web-based functionalities opens ETH and ERC20 DEX trading to a range of hardware wallets such as KeepKey, Trezor and Ledger. In addition to Porters and Shapeshift native software wallets, plus enables 4chain trades on the KeepKey hardware wallet and the Shapeshift native software wallet. The company also added USDT and Sushi tokens to their 4chain enabled trades, as well as the ability to hold, send and receive native Rune on KeepKey and Shapeshift native wallet. Rune trading is expected to be supported in the coming weeks. With these announcements, Shapeshift now offers one of the most complete decentralized offerings on the market, enabling users to scan across multiple DEX to trade ETH on thousands of ERC20 tokens, as well as swapping across blockchains to trade native BTC, LTC, Ethereum, USDT, and Sushi trustlessly via 4chain, all without added commission or having to supply personally identifiable information. Users on the Shapeshift can select trades across multiple DEX as well as native cross chains, while also earning Fox tokens with every trade, qualifying them for Rainfall Awards. Free USDC rewarded to random Shapeshift user each time someone trades on a platform. So, Rune is starting to get in motion and doing what I needed. As you can see, the article was on the 29th of about 5 days ago. But yes, the coin is moving, as we can see. It's moving up, which makes it a huge opportunity. And due to the fact that they're trying to get this coin to work on all the different blockchains, could make it a big one in the long run. So 4chain is building a chain and a logic breaching protocol that will allow trustless and secure value transfer connections with most other chains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, and all of the Binance chains. Users will be able to instantly swap and asset at fair market prices and deep liquidity. Token holders will be able to stake any asset and earn on liquidity fees. So this is a coin with a multiple use. My opinion, if they can do what I want to do with this coin in the long run, it can have huge potential. Let's see, the next big mover the last 24 hours is Dash. Dash was under $100 just the other day. Look at it now, $354 a Dash. Yes, it was over $1,000 not too long ago. But let's see, is there any news that's pushing Dash up? Let's see. The latest news for Dash was only 3 days ago. So there's no main news. Let's see what it says about the Dash 3 days ago. So no brand new news, but I had a decent, 10% spike the last few hours. I'll wait for it to load. Last 2 hours, pretty decent, 10% spike. Now who's gonna complain? Battle of the privacy coins. Will Zcash or Dash perform better in May? Let's see what I say. Alright. In this article, we'll take a look at the price movement for both Zcash and Dash in order to determine their potential for increasing in the month of May. Zcash has been rejecting by a long-term resistance level at $300, but is expected to make another breakout attempt. Dash has reclaimed the 185 area, validating its support. It is expecting to continue moving higher. But let's just see on a daily chart. There was the 180 support, moved up nicely over 400 and came back. But let's see. Zcash has been increasing since the beginning of the year. The increase continued until April 17. Then the token managed to reach a high of $2.99. The high was made very close to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level when measuring from the all-time high. The following week, the price was rejected and created a bearish engulfing candlestick. Despite the drop, the MACD and stochastic oscillators are still bullish. This indicates that the long-term trend is also bullish. The next closest resistance area are found at 388 and 457. These are found by the 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. Therefore, despite the ongoing increase, Zcash is not even close to reaching all-time high price again. Well, the wave count suggests that Zcash is in a sub-wave 5, black off wave 3 orange. A potential target for the top of the movement is located between 330 and 360. It is found using an external retracement on wave 2 orange and projections on sub-waves 1 to 3 black. Measuring from the current price, the average between these two targets would amount to an upward movement of 40%. So Zcash, looking at it, has massive potential to move. But let's get back to Dash, which we're looking at. Similar to Zcash, Dash has also been moving upwards since the beginning of the year. However, it has yet to even come close to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement resistance, which is found at $667. That's almost double from where it's now. So far, it has managed to reach a high of $415. Despite the lack of strength, Dash has managed to break out from and validate the $185 area as support. This was an important horizon resistance level that had been in place since May 2019. Furthermore, technical indicators are bullish in addition. The RSI has generated a hidden bullish divergence and strong sign of trend continuation. Therefore, it's likely that it continues increasing and eventually reaches 667 resistance area. That's massive potential for these two coins. The wave count suggests that 𝙏 has just completed a running flat correction as part of wave 4. The two most likely area targets for the top of the upward movement are found at $510 and $677, while the latter would only occur if wave 5 extends. It has confluence with the previously outlined long-term resistance level. Measuring from the current price, the target would amount to upward movements of 57 and 104% respectively. So looking at this article, Zcash and 𝙏 has massive potential to move up. Is there an opportunity? Or are we going to sit back, wait and see? Ethereum Classic. I haven't seen this coin move in a while, but look at the last week. Wow. Let's say the last, last 8 days. It went up as high as 88%. From nowhere to somewhere. Let's see what kind of news are there. Just 10 hours ago, we got an article about Ethereum Classic. Let's see what it's saying. Is it good news or not? Tron BitTorrent Ethereum Classic price analyst. Let's see what people are saying about Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. Using the Ethereum Classic movement between April 14 and 17 as reference points, some Fibonacci levels were highlighted on a 4-hour time frame. The 100% extension level was tested at 54.7. But a look at the on-chain metrics suggested a pullback even through ETC was quite bullish over the last 24 hours. RSI highlighted overbought conditions in the market for the last few days, and stabilization was likely moving forward. This could take place at the 78.6 Fibonacci level, which is $48.30, which would establish it as a strong support point. Another area of support retested at 42 and 43, and this even coincided with the 50 SMA blue. Meanwhile, Chainking Monkey Flow maintained itself above the half line as capital inflows were healthy towards Ethereum Classic. So not major news, and the main amount they're giving has been reached already. But 3% up in the last 24 hours, no one will complain about that. Solano, another one I'm seeing a lot of potential in. Where could this coin go? Up just over 1.6% the last few hours. So let's see, any news supporting it? Let's see, does Telegram. Alright, there's been a little bit of news regarding Solano. Let's see what it says. It seems like the article was taken down. Wonder why. But to give you an idea about Solano, Solano is a cryptocurrency token and operates on the Ethereum platform. Solar token has a current supply of 127,864,775 with 28 million in circulation. The last known price of Solano token is $46. It is currently trading one active market. I don't think this is the right message regarding it. But Solano is a new technology that's coming forward and a new blockchain. So it could have interesting developments, as it reckon it can take on Binance, Ethereum, Cardano. So a lot of people are expecting things to happen. But with all these new coins, only time will tell if they're going to make it or not, which will make it really interesting to see what's happening. But let's move on. KSM. Let's see if there's any news supporting KSM. Been up 2.5%. Let's see what's 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠. Besides a bunch of tweets going around, we got news, but it's only been 4 days ago. Let's see what it says. So Polkadot and 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 parachains are getting their own crowd loan marketplace. Decentralized swap marketplace Bounce Finance would become the first marketplace to host .ksm parachain auctions. It's said in its release today. The need for Bounce, Polkadot and 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣 are both scalable multi-chain networks that allow high data throughputs for projects running on their chain. Decentralized crowd loans. Candidates projects can stake their own DOT and KSM tokens and or incentive community members to lock their DOT and KSM through crowd loans. Community members who participate in a crowd loan of the project they support will lock their DOT or KSM for a period of 6, 12, 18 or 24 months and receive incentives in the form of project tokens and or any incentives. Now my personal opinion is I don't like to lock in my funds for a long period of time. I like my funds to be flexible, and if I want to unstake them or unlock them, they're available immediately. But yes, everyone's opinion about this will probably be different, but that's just mine. Let's see Luna. We got quite a few different coins that's been moving today. Coins we don't see a lot in the markets. Any news? Yes, we got 4 days ago. Let me see. Alright, the only thing the article is saying is there is room for a DeFi comeback with projects like CRV, Ren, Link, Luna and AV. Retail traders are expecting a price rally, and that is the key reason why accumulating is the best when top DeFi tokens are in the buy zone. Beyond accumulation, timely profit bookings is driven DeFi's demand. The price has been directly proportional to the increasing number of unique users, whales and retail traders, and these projects are likely to continue boosting DeFi, TVL. So the main reason lately has been everyone is looking at DeFi again and seeing an opportunity to get into it. Let's see the last one we're looking at. Leave your recommendations and coins and we can look at them as well. is Atom. Let's see if there was any news regarding Cosmos or ATOM. No news. No news about Atom. The Cosmos network consists of many independent parallel blockchains called zones, each powered by classical, Byzantine, fault-tolerant, BFD, continuous protocols like Tendermint, already used by platforms like RSDB. Some zones act as hubs with respect to other zones, allowing many zones to intercooperate through a shared hub. So no major news, but some decent movements on the coins. We've gone through the coins that's been moving today, but let's see if something else popped up quickly since we've been, no, still the same ones at the top. But let's look, what is the bottom? NEAR and XRP, AV and AVAX. So we've seen a lot of red today, not that much of green. Well, Dogecoin just went parabolic because it wasn't there lately when we just started. A nice big move from here up. 48 cents a Dogecoin. Wow. For something that was created for a joke, it just keeps on going. The possibilities are endless. So ladies and gentlemen, that's our movers for today. Well, we've seen some potential movers that can still go another 100%. Are you going to get into them? What's your opinions? Please like and subscribe and let me know at the bottom. Have a great one.